The all-new production spec Kia Sonet subcompact SUV has finally made its global debut in India. The production version of the car looks identical to the concept that was first showcased at the 2020 Auto Expo. Kia will offer the car in two trims, GT line and Tech line, and will be sold in 8 color options with dual color options as well. Kia has confirmed that the upcoming Sonet will be powered by the 1-litre turbo petrol, 1.2-litre Kappa petrol and the 1.5-litre turbo diesel engine options. Transmission options will include the 5-speed and 6-speed manual, 7-speed DCT and the intelligent manual transmission as well. The Sonet will also get a segment-first diesel automatic variant with a 6-speed torque converter. Other confirmed features include the 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ventilated front seats, Uvo connected car tech, a digital instrument console, a Bose sound system, an electric sunroof and lots more. The Kia Sonet subcompact SUV will go on sale in India by September this year, and bookings for the model will open very soon. TVS Motor Company has introduced its new doorstep two-wheeler service program called Expert on Wheels. The new service will be available through 300 dealerships pan-India, and TVS customers can call for the same to carry out periodic service and maintenance repairs. Customers will have to book an appointment with their local TVS dealership, which will then appoint a service technician who will come to the location and service the vehicle. TVS says that all service personnel will follow a thorough sanitization protocol and will also wear a PPE suit to ensure minimum contact with the customer. More recently, Royal Enfield announced its Service on Wheels initiative in India, which saw the bike maker deploy service bikes to 800 dealerships across the country. Celebrated automotive designer and engineer Gordon Murray has taken wraps off his latest supercar, the T50. Built by his company Gordon Murray Automotive, the T50 is said to be the most driver-centric supercar ever. The new GMA T50 aims at being a practical supercar that offers everyday usability. The GMA T50 weighs just 986 kilograms, while power comes from a 4-litre V12 Cosworth naturally aspirated engine that develops 654 brake horsepower at 11,500 rpm and peak torque of 467 Nm at 9,000 rpm. The motor is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. The T50 is smaller than a Porsche 911 in terms of proportions and gets a clutter-free cabin loaded with all modern-day essentials including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Like the iconic McLaren F1 designed by Murray again, the new GMA T50 also gets the driver's seat in the center. Only 100 examples of the supercar will be made for production and 25 more as hardcore track-focused units.
If you liked that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.